Yo guys, a brand new cloud gaming app is here, available on the Google Play Store and providing free play time. And not just that, you can play GTA 5 and Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 as well. You heard it right. In this video, I'll show you the complete process from logging in to actually playing the game. So sit back and do not miss this opportunity. And before we go any further, hit the like button and subscribe to never miss gaming content like this. Okay, so first of all, go to the Google Play Store and search for this app named Xpoze. It has a size of just 12 MB. Hit that install button and once the app is installed, open it up. On opening it for the first time, you will have to log in. Now we have two options, either to go with Google or Steam. I'm logging in using my Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see all the games that we have like Poppy Playtime Chapter 5, WWE 2K25, GTA 5 and so on. You can explore it. Just for logging in, you get 400 tokens and your playtime depend on the per minute token consumption based on the server you are gonna choose. Now that might sound confusing, but you are gonna get what I mean by that. You can also buy tokens if you want to get more playtime. Now let's go back and try the game. I'll play Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. Click on Launch Cloud Desktop, then you'll have to select the server. Here you can see per minute tokens that each server takes. Normally all the servers have the same rate of 13 tokens per minute, but there is a server with a discount that lets you play for just 2 tokens a minute. So based on the total tokens we have, you can actually play for more than 3 hours. After selecting, click on confirm selection and then you might have to wait depending on whether there is a queue or not. So once the queue is over, you will see option to enter the game with a countdown. Just click on it and you are good to go. As you can see, after the loading is complete, our real Poppy Playtime Chapter 5 has started and you can now enjoy it. And that ends this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, hit that like button and subscribe to see more content like this in the future, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and goodbye.